Monica Bhatia from IIM Raipur. I had this remarkable opportunity to participate in the live consulting project focused at streamlining marketing strategy at Creative Code. During my tenure as a research analyst at Creative Code, I dwelled into various aspects of research methodologies, honing skills crucial for comprehensive analysis. Within this period, I worked on projects that included creating reports aimed at enhancing consumer experience for Mercedes-Benz and also devising digital marketing strategy for an Australian beer company. Leveraging tools like Google Analytics and SEO optimization, I crafted insightful strategies tailored to client needs. Additionally, I was able to secure an internship based on my performance, which helped me getting closer to achieving my goal in the consulting industry. Thank you, Creative Code, for providing me with this incredible opportunity to learn and grow in your organization. Your support and guidance have been invaluable in shaping my journey in the consulting field. I am truly grateful for experience and knowledge gained during my time with your team. Thank you.